Where is your napkin? Thank you so much. Hi.
Hot dog?
Spicy hot dog.
Oh, 97.
How are you, man?
Good, how are you?
Oh. Sorry. Appreciate it. Have a good day.
You got napkin?
Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh my God. Let me take the camera out and I can eat it. Hello. Got a 7-Eleven spicy hot dog. Oh my God. It's the best. I'm not sure if it's the best, but I'm gonna try it. Gonna use my other camera. Okay, 7-Eleven hot dog. Oh my God, we'll see what it tastes like. I'm sure it's good. Look, I put cheese and chili. Cheese and chili hot dog. Yummy. How can we eat this without making mess? You ready? I am ready. Come. Mmm. Mmm. Hmm. If you guys want to know where I am, I am in Kent City, city of Kent, in Washington State. It is raining really bad outside. Dining in my car. I was in 7-Eleven getting spicy hot dog. And I am telling you, it is spicy. But not 100%. 75%. But a little salty to me, the hot dog. But overall, it is delicious. It's good. For me that I love junk food, it is delicious. Oh my God. No way. What the hell I'm doing? Let me see. I put too much cheese and chili. Not bad. See? cheese, chili, some jalapeno. It's so good. If you never had 7-Eleven hot dog, no, you should have it. So good. I paid $3 with tax. $3, 3 penny less than $3, but it's $3. $2.97. When I say it is good, mean the hot dog is good for this price. With all this cheese, with all this chili, I put a lot of onion, I put a lot of condominium. Yes, it is good for $2.97 or $3. This is a really good price. Let's get the last bite. Look. Like, how beautiful is that? Oh my god. That was good. Oh my god. I need a drink. Oh my god, that was good. Thank you, 7-Eleven. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. Next time I'm gonna eat quarter-pound 7-Eleven hot dog, or I'm gonna try other pizza from 7-Eleven. But for now I'm full, and I love you so much for watching me. Bye bye.